Today we are going to see the first unit. Unit is the introductory taxonomy. Means millions of the flowering plants are occurred on the earth's surface. It should be to remember from each other. Therefore, they should be taxonomically or systematically grouped together. Here, taxonomy. Taxonomy. Here, taxonomy means it is a Greek word. Greek two words. Taxis means arrangement. Taxis means arrangement, and the nomos. These are developed from the two Latin words, Greek words. Nomos means law or rule. Means these are the plants, taxonomy, flowering plants. They are arranged lawful or arranged by the rules. Rules were done by the ICDM. The plants are categorized. Taxonomy is also known as a systematic botany. Systematic botany. Taxonomy is synonym is the systematic botany. Here, taxonomy means identification identification of the plant, nomenclature of a plant, and classification of a plant of the angiospermic plant. Means it is a branch of science which deals with the study of identification of plants, nomenclature of the plants, and the classification of the plants. Identification, plants should be identified on the basis of the characters, morphological characters in the field area or preserved in the herbariums. They should be nomenclated, naming of the plants should be given, and it should be arranged systematically with the help of the classification of the angiosperms. Taxonomy. This taxonomy was first initially used term by A.P. de Condé. A.P.D. Kendall, scientist A.P.D. Kendall. This is a term of first initially used for the classification of the identifications as per the rules and regulations. Here, we are going to say the functions of the taxonomy. Functions of the taxonomy. Here, in the functions, there are three main functions. Introductory part. Three main functions. That is the identification of flowering plant, nomenclature of a flowering plant, and classification of flowering plant of the angiospermic plant. Functions, how it works. In the taxonomy, function means how it works. We are not going to classify directly the plant belongs to this one. Phylum Protozoa. First, we should know its characteristics. Therefore, it properly works. Plants should be first identified on the basis of its characteristics. Then plants should be nomenclature takes place. Binomial nomenclature. Then the plants are systematically classified on the basis of these characteristics and nomenclature. Here, first we are going to see first functions of the taxonomy, identification of plants, identification of the plants. The plants which are found on the earth surface, in the field area, or it be mounted on the herbarium, means for the purpose further studies repeatedly to study the characters. The plants are preserved, mounted on these car sheets. These are known as the herbarium. In next topic we are going to see details. But in the field area, whatever characters which are found from this field area, plants are collected. And when plants are collected in the field, notable characters are noted. Means the characters which are based morphological characters. Morphological characters which are seen externally in the field area, they are noted in a field diary. And while noting the plants, photographs also taken. Its plants herbarium should be made, and in the field area, the plants are characters are noted from type of roots, type of habit, type of the stems, its structure, aerial, erect, branchular, cylindrical, quadrangular, rectangular, herbaceous, solid herb, leaf simple, compound its types, its Venetian types, singly basis, the characters, flower, bisexual, unisexual, pentamerous, hexamerous, the characters which are observed in the field area, how the sepals, how the petals, activations, androecium, gynoecium, in the field, the carpus superovary, these characters are noted. If found in the field area, fruits, the type of the fruits, such the notable characters should be noted in the field area, in the field diary, and came into this laboratory, and the notable morphological characters which are taken further detailed. The flowers are opened and the characters are studied, and they are written on a page. This written material is compared. Means for it's essential to compare another one. Compare with the published work. Or flora. For comparison, we should know first the standards for the grouping of the plants, for the naming of the plants, for the identification of the plants. The already published work or its floras available in the works, these characteristics which are noted, they are compared. After comparing to each other, these plants are identified. These plants are identified, and further work its functions works as the further nomenclature of the plants.